Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about Beehiiv. If you're trying to find a platform that will help you setting up referral program, this is going to be one of the alternatives that you can use in order to do that. So for example, if you would want to start using referral code as one of your marketing strategies, you can actually create and manage your referral program with Beehiiv. So first things first, you're going to want to go to beehiiv.com and then you will find a page that looks like this. They do offer you premium features, free trials for 30 days. So that is going to be very helpful in giving you an idea of how this all works. So this is how the page looks like, and you can just go ahead and click on get started or start trial to start creating your Beehiiv account. But before we do that, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the pricing real quick so that you know if you would want to use this for long terms, how much money you should spend for this platform. So here, as you can see, they start from free. So they have this plan called Launch. Here, you don't have to pay for anything, and you can get up to 2,500 subscribers. And what's included in this plan is custom website, custom newsletter, campaigns analytics, unlimited email sends, and many more. And next, they have the one with $39 per month. They actually have quite similar benefit with the free one, but they do have some more, obviously, like they have this ad network, boost network, 3D analytics, Beehiiv AI, etc. And then they also have the max one, which is $99 per month. And then they have the enterprise one, which going to have a custom pricing depending on what you need. So you're going to have to consult their salesman in order to use the enterprise plan. Right, so now that you know the pricing of Beehiiv, we're going to go straight into starting our trial. So here you're going to want to create your account, starting by entering first name, last name, email, and password. So I'm going to go ahead and insert it. All right, once we're done with that, we're going to answer some questions first. They're going to ask whether we are experienced newbie or maybe we're still unsure. I'm just going to say that we're newbie here. So go ahead and click on continue. And then you're going to want to add your newsletter name, the subdomain name, and as well as tags. You can create up to 3 tags. Then you can also add your image right here. So I'm just going to change this into the name of my business. Let's say it's going to be Moonlight Newsletter. This one's too. All right, and if you already have a logo of your business, you can definitely upload it right here. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And let's say this one's going to be business. Then the tags are going to be business, and let's say fashion. So I'm going to choose that and then go ahead and click on continue. All right, so here is the dashboard that we got once we're done setting up our Beehiiv account. On the left side of the screen, you have the navigations bar or navigations menu. You will be able to see your notification. You can create your website through here. You can write on it. You can see the growth of your community or your website, and then under the monetization options, you can create your ads. You can also manage your subscription, and then if you go to the analyze section, so you'll be able to see the reports of your subscriber, your posts, or even your clicks. All right, so in order to create and manage your referral program, you're going to want to go to this grow sections right here, and as you can see, there is a referral program option, so go ahead and click on it. And here we haven't got our data yet, so we're going to want to create one. Go ahead and click on configure, and then you can start by adding your milestone. So go ahead and click on add milestone, and here you can choose on the amount of referral needed. For example, here I'm going to say 1 referral, and then as the reward, they're going to get, for example, a free merch from my shop. So I'm going to name it as t-shirt. Then you can also add description. All right, so for example, the description is going to be get a one-time 100% discount code for a t-shirt. And then you can add a disclaimer if you want, and the reward type is going to be a promo code. Then you can also add the image of your product. So I'm going to go to my Shopify stores right here, and this is actually the t-shirt that I'm talking about. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on save image and then upload it into here. All right, so there it is. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on create. All right, so that is our reward. And then you're going to want the settings on your fulfillment. So you can choose to use auto fulfillment or delay email until fulfilled. And on the auto fulfill, you can see that Beehiiv is going to automatically mark any achievement as fulfilled. And this is useful when the email being sent contains the actual reward. So if you're going to send rewards such as promo code, like the one that I'm using right now, using autofulfill is actually going to be very helpful. But if, let's say, the product that you have as a reward for your referral program is going to be a physical product that you will have to track the inventory on, I don't think it's going to be very wise to use the auto fulfillment. And then you can also have the options to delay email until fulfilled. So it says here that by default, the achievement email is sent as soon as someone achieves a milestone. So this will delay it until it has been fulfilled. This is useful if you don't want to notify user that they have achieved a milestone until you've had a chance to review their referrals. So this one is totally up to you. You can choose whether you want to delay the email until it's fulfilled, or you want the email to be automatically sent once the referral is fulfilled. And this one actually can minimize the amount of fraud or the amount of scams for your referral. If you check it first before you send the email, you can see whether all of the referral that they made are valid or not. And here I'm going to want to manage the promo code, because remember that I use promo code as the rewards for my referral. And you can add your code manually, or you can also just upload a bulk upload. Now, I'm going to show you how to create a bulk upload with the help of Shopify. So the store that I have here is Shopify, and they do have a very helpful app. In order to create a bulk upload, all you have to do is search for, let's say, code generator, and then try to find the app on their app store. All right, so this is the app that I'm going to use for now. So I'm going to go ahead and install it, and then I'm going to start and create that discount set. So here I'm going to title it as one-time discount, and I'm just going to generate some random discount, and I'm going to, let's say, generate 10 codes, and the code length is going to be a 6 number, or I think I'm just going to make it 5, and it's going to be a 100% discount value. So the type is going to be percentage, and then it's going to apply for a specific product, which is going to be just the t-shirt. And then don't forget to set on the limit number of time the discount can be used, and I'm just going to use it as 1. Then go ahead and click on save, and I'm going to go ahead and export the code. Alright, so I got my codes downloaded, and then I'm going to go back into Beehiiv and then upload that code. So go ahead and click on bulk upload, select on the code that we've just created, and then for the promo code column, it's going to be the code. Then go ahead and click on next, and here are the code that we have. So I'm going to go ahead and click on upload. And then as you can see on the code, we have not assigned as the status, but once someone receives an email with the code on their email, the code status is going to be changed. So I'm just going to close this for now. And then here you will be able to settings on the milestone email. So you can go ahead and add subject line, and then preview text, as well as the contents right here. So I'm just going to fill this in real quick. Alright, so for example, this is going to be what I'm going to say. Obviously, you're going to want to add some more, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to say this for now, and then you can take a look at the preview of how the email will look like by clicking on preview, so you can see it in the form of desktop or maybe on mobile phone. And then you can also select a subscriber to directly assign that email, but for now I'm just going to go ahead and click on create. Alright, so there we go. We got our milestone created, and then you can always add more milestone by clicking on add milestones, and then edit your reward or add more reward if you want by going to the reward sections and click on add reward. Or you can also export your data by going to the export data right here and go to settings to setting some more of your referral program. And that's basically it. That is how you can use Beehiiv as a platform that helps you with your referral program. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.